So everybody already know that Cardi B was on Twitter Spaces and she aired out or crashed out and called out Offset for not getting their kids anything for Christmas, but he got his other kids things for Christmas. She called out Offset and his mom for both robbing her, and allegedly the amount that him and his mom stole was anywhere from $5 million to $10 million. So anyways, Cardi B did address her crashing out the other day, and here's what she had to say.
I crashed out yesterday, and yes, I crashed the out, and I don't give a fuck, and I don't care if some and people call me a crash out, because you know what? That's just how I am. Sometimes people gotta crash out to release stress. People always want to act like being nonchalant is the way to go, and while being nonchalant is the way to go because it looks better, it doesn't always make you feel better. Fuck it. Grab that blick and crash the fuck out. You clean the mess later.
Now, a lot of people didn't care about Cardi B crashing out. Some people feel like Cardi B needs a therapist. Some people feel like, hey, it's okay to crash out, just not on social media. But hey, she said she had to get it off her chest that her estranged husband didn't buy their kids any toys, but he bought his other kids toys, and the simple fact that him and his mama stole money from her. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. But on the same Twitter space, Cardi B talked about how record labels was telling her that they feel like she influenced them to sign female rappers or female artists to their labels.
Cardi didn't open no doors and blah blah blah. I don't give a fuck about what y'all talking about. Labels have literally told me in my face. Labels literally have told me in my face, we started signing female rappers because of the success that you have. You it's and even the rappers that were rapping at the same time around me have said it to me too. Like even Cash Doll herself. Like it's like she'll say it herself. Labels were being real hard around 2017 with female rappers. No matter how good you rap, no matter how good you look, no matter how good anything, because it was just in being done. And it took Bodak Yellow to show labels that you could really make money with female rappers. That female rappers is the new wave. And all these will never admit it, but it's the fucking truth. It is the truth. But that's something that is like that like per usual, people will always on the internet, but they will always try to discredit everything I do, everything I say, everything I make happen. But you can't, no matter how much hard you try, you can't even.
Well, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. Do you guys feel like there's any truth to what Cardi B said? So moving on to the last and final topic, you guys know Jada Cheaves, or Jada Cheaves, because every time I say Cheaves or Cheaves, somebody said I'm saying it wrong, so I'm just going to say both. Well, anyways, Jada came out with her own beauty brand, and it's called Jada Cheaves Beauty, and she has this lip kit that is $70. Now, some people feel like this is too much. Some people feel like you should just stick to some cheaper brands. Some people also feel like, hey, y'all not telling that to Kylie Jenner. Y'all not telling that to these other celebrities. Y'all not telling them to change their prices or to lower their prices. Well, anyways, people had a problem with the price point of the 3 items. So Jada did hop on her live, and here's what she had to say about that.
I keep saying why the lip kit is $70, but the lip kit is $70 because it comes with 3 items. 3 items are considered $20, $20, and $20. Y'all don't gotta buy it. Oh God, you don't. Oh, that shit selling. That shit selling, twin. It's good shit. Once you get it, you're gonna buy more. But if you don't want to buy it, go stick to y'all NYX and y'all other stuff. I don't care. I ain't forcing y'all to buy it, but when you do get your hands on it, you're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. You're getting 3 products, 3 good quality products for the cost of one thing. So of course I couldn't make 3 products $20. You ain't gotta buy it though, respectfully. Hey, what's a good price for quality lashes that make you look pretty like this? Because y'all saw how I just got on this live looking popped. Now I look cute. I look like I could go on a little date or something. I look real cute. I look presentable. Before it gave very much, what are you doing? $45, $20. Get the fuck out of here. It comes with a mirror. It comes with the real packaging has like a note from me, and then the back says it has the heart, but it says something really cute on it. I'm not gonna tell y'all. And it has. This will last you, okay? This will actually last you. And the glue, it comes with the glue, the seal. See, I'm not gonna use the seal only because, well, I'll just use it.
Well, a TikTok user said that Jada's product is just trash. You guys go ahead and take a listen.
One thing about it, when a celebrity tell you don't buy their product, don't do it. Because I be damn, I paid $70 for a lip kit, and then you saying stick to y'all niggas. I will. Because your lip gloss is watered down anyway. Girl, you had to literally sit there and use half the bottle just to have a good lip. My beauty supply would never. And even if it is, it's $5. Not even $3. For me, a bottle is the same size as yours. Your lip liner, it was no different. Like when I tell y'all I have a lip liner from Kiss, NYX. Although I know you have a fan base, so of course your product is still gonna sell. But don't get ahead of yourself, boo-boo.
Well, people in the comment section said things like NYX never failed me and Will the F. I got a whole Riri Fenty kit for $35. Honest review, Remedy by Ari is better. Someone else said I'm a Remedy by Ari kind of girl, it's cheaper anyways. Personally, the cheap products can do the same thing expensive products can do. Even the Kali lip kits were not that expensive. And then someone was defending Jada's product in the comment section, and they said, y'all just be talking because the product is really good. She isn't the only makeup that's expensive. Basically, she isn't the only person that has makeup that's expensive. And someone else said NYX and MAC. Now, at the end of the day, you're either going to want to buy her product or you don't. And a lot of people are buying her products because she's an influencer. That's what she does. And obviously, she influenced them to buy her makeup. And whether you think it's good or not, you would have to buy it and find out for yourself or listen to reviews and see if they liked it, if they didn't like it. That's really all you can do. I mean, if you don't like the price point, you don't have to buy it. She's not forcing you to buy it. But at the end of the day, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. And like somebody said, Fenty by Rihanna is not that expensive. They got their lip kit for like $35. So they're like, why would I pay $70 for Ari lip kit when Rihanna's lip kit is only $35? It's just a preference. If you like her, you want to try a brand, try it. If you think it's too expensive, don't. But you guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
I'm gonna put butter in the bottom of our pan. I'm using a skillet. I love y'all too. Y'all say my thing is too watery? That's what the box said add. You need to add more pancake mix. What if I add flour? Because I'm doing what the box said. 1 cup. Add more mix. Okay. You guys know more than me. Now, if they too thick, we're gonna have a problem. My heart, why you just say one word, one word, one word. It's still too watery. All right, well, we're gonna have to